Good afternoon, welcome back to Auto Assets. My name is Zach, and here with us today is a 2018 BMW 330i xDrive Gran Turismo. This is finished in black sapphire metallic. It's equipped with a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine and an 8-speed automatic gearbox. Front and rear parking sensors, backup camera, and active rear spoiler. Starting up here at the driver front wheel, pretty good shape with a few light spots. Doesn't look like curb rash or anything like that. It looks more of an age thing. Looks like the clear coat's starting to come off of the front wheel there. Back here at the driver rear, a little bit of the same thing going on back here. It looks like it's some of the clear coat that's coming off. All new Bridgestone tires. Back here at the passenger rear, this one has a little bit of a combination of curb rash and some of that clear coat starting to peel off. Notice right there at the top of the lip. You'll notice on the passenger rear door here, there is a small dent there. I don't see any paint damage, so it could be removed. Just another walk down the body line here. And finally up here at the passenger front wheel, again the same thing, a little curb rash, as well as some discoloration there to the clear coat. Normal spots of road rash up front on the bumper. You'll see a little crease there and a few light scratches. And a little road rash there below the headlight. Take you to the interior. We have a black Dakota leather. Got your BMW all-weather floor mats. Sorry about the footprints. I was in here getting my photos just a few minutes ago. You do have 3-stage heated outboard seats back here for the rear passengers. Nice big panoramic sunroof. Equipped with keyless entry and keyless start. Stainless steel door sill guards. Driver memory settings with adjustable knee bolsters. Nice big digital display there. Sirius XM. Bluetooth wireless audio. 3-stage heated front seats. You have a heated multifunction steering wheel. And current mileage 74050. Also equipped with the driving assistance package. That's going to give you the speed limit information, active driving assistant, lane departure warning, forward collision warning, and pedestrian warning. This is equipped with the heads-up display. That is part of the premium package with the navigation system. All right, folks, if you have any questions, do not hesitate to give us a call. 614-793-1050. Tons of photos of this vehicle on our website. Please check those out at autoassets.com.